Good morning, class 2 students. Students, in today's class, I am going to explain a grammar topic. Its name is nouns. So, students, first we will know something about nouns. What are nouns? We know that nouns are the names of persons, places, animals, and even ideas. Nouns are the names of things, persons, places, animals, and even ideas. Examples: girl, boy, Tarun, Arun, table, chair. Nouns are of different kinds. There are different kinds of noun. What are they? Common nouns, proper nouns, abstract nouns, collective nouns. Repeat again. What are the different kinds of nouns? Common nouns, proper nouns, abstract nouns, and collective nouns. First, we will know about common and proper nouns. Read these sentences. Number 1. The boy lives in a city. The boy lives in a city. Second example sentence: Vishal lives in Hyderabad. Vishal lives in Hyderabad. In sentence first, boy and city are common nouns. In sentence first, boy and city are common nouns because they give common names to a person or a place. Because they give common names. Common names means what? Same names to a person and a place. Name of all boys. Boy for all group of boys. City for all the name of cities. In sentence second, Vishal and Hyderabad. Vishal and Hyderabad are proper nouns because they give a special name to a person and a place. Vishal and Hyderabad both are special or particular name of a person or place. So, students, let us know about the definition of common nouns and proper nouns. What is the definition of common nouns? Common nouns give common names to persons, animals, places, or things. Common nouns give common names to persons, animals, places or things which are of same kind. Which are of same kind. Example: boy, city, girl and country. All examples are the name of a common persons, animals, places or things. Now move on definition of proper nouns. Proper nouns give special names to a particular person, animal, place or things. Repeat again. What is the definition of proper nouns? Proper nouns give special names to a particular person, animal, place or thing. Examples: Vishal, Delhi, Shuman and India. Repeat the example: Vishal, Delhi, Suman and India. All are the name of a particular person, place, again name of a particular lady or a girl and name of a particular country. Here is some comparison of examples between common nouns and proper nouns. Here left side picture of a girl is saying I am a girl. I am a girl. And right side picture is saying I am Richa. Here is the example of girl, that means common noun, and name Richa, that means proper nouns. Common nouns example and proper nouns example: country, boy, girl, river, month. All are proper nouns. India, Vishal, Richa, Ganges, January. All are proper nouns. Repeat both the columns of common nouns and proper nouns. Country, boy, girl, river, month. All are examples of a common person, animal, places or things. India, Vishal, Richa, Ganges, January. All are the examples of a special name to a particular person, animal, place or things. There is an important note for you students, that proper nouns begins with capital letter, but common noun begins with small letter. It is clear to you students? Now there is an exercise of common noun given in page number 13 in your Open Sky book. So students, all of you take out page number 13 in your book. First we will read what is the different examples of common noun given in this page. Common nouns: words that are names of persons, things, animals or places are called nouns. Words that are names of persons, things, animals and places are called nouns. It is very clear to all of you. Nouns are also called naming words. That means name of anything is called noun. First we will read the following words. What all words are telling about persons. Persons means father, teacher, girl. All are example. Things, pencil, paper, toy. Animals, lion, deer, peacock. Places, kitchen, library, cinema. All the above words are common nouns. All the above words are common nouns. They are names of persons, things, animals or places of the same kind, common kind. And this is very clear to all of you that common nouns are begin with small letter. They begin with a small letter. So students, here is a exercise to you. Choose words from the box and write them under the correct heading. Here different words are given and heading with columns are also given here. So here is exercise for you. Take a pencil in your hand and start doing. What are the words? Bread, pen, uncle, classroom, eagle, grocer, jungle, ant, brother, city, tiger, cycle, engine, father, bathroom, giraffe. Set all these words according to heading: person, thing, animal and place. Students, in person column all of you will write uncle, grocer, brother, father. Next column thing, write bread, pen, cycle, engine. In animal column all of you will write eagle, ant, tiger, giraffe. In place column all of you will write classroom, jungle, city, bathroom. One dash is left in all columns because there is extra dash is given in this exercise. Repeat again. In person column all of you will write uncle, grocer, brother, father. In thing column all of you will write bread, pen, cycle, engine. In animal column eagle, ant, tiger, giraffe. In places column, in place column classroom, jungle, city and bathroom. Now move on next page. Underline the common nouns in the following sentences. You read all the sentence and underline the example of common noun word. Okay? A. The cow is grazing in the field. In this sentence, cow and field both are common nouns. B. My father brings a chocolate for me every day. My father brings a chocolate for me every day. In this sentence, father and chocolate both are common nouns. C. A tiger kills deer. In this sentence, tiger and deer both are common noun. E. The train is approaching the station. The train is approaching the station. Here, train and station both are common nouns. And last one in this sentence, my classroom has 2 doors, 3 windows and 1 blackboard. In this sentence, classroom, doors, windows and blackboard all are example of common nouns. Okay students, I hope that all of you have understood all these topic. So complete both exercises in your book. Bye bye students.